Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, we have to make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and then we can enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all updates pending. Of course, you can update all of those apps simply by tapping on this green button, Update All, and after that all the updates will be downloaded and applied. But if you would like to update only one of those apps, just find it in the list. That was a misclick, sorry. Just find it in the list. For example, I would like to update Google Photos and tap on Update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears from our list, but after going to the very top of it, we've got the Google Photos right here. Now they are downloading, and after that they will be successfully installed and updated. So actually, that's all. This is how to update apps in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.